I made over $92,172.46 on TikTok alone in the past 6 months. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. A lot of people are using the creativity program or dropshipping to make some money on TikTok, but I've stumbled across a new method that nobody is talking about. And now I alone have generated over $22,000 in revenue for one brand in the past 30 days using this. Now, before I tell you what it is, let me give you a little backstory telling you exactly how I ended up finding this. One of my first ever business ventures was sneaker reselling. Now, I'm not gonna get into that too much because it's pretty straightforward. You buy shoes at one price, you sell them at another. But of course, like most people, I was 16 in high school and that just didn't last long. But then when January 2023 came, I had a bit of a crisis. I was thinking to myself how it's the new year and I'm essentially in the same exact place I was at the start of last year, so I had to make some changes. I told myself that for the next 2 months, I was going to try out 3 different business ventures, and whichever one I saw the most success in or believed in the most is what I was just gonna take with and run. Now, a little more backstory here. When I was a senior in high school and TikTok was just on its come up, I actually didn't even have the app on my phone. I thought it was a bit silly. So in doing all that, all my friends were trying to go viral on TikTok and I was looking at them, I'm like, there's no way it's that hard. So what I did was I actually went ahead and downloaded the app TikTok my senior year of high school just to prove to everybody that it was not hard to get TikTok famous. And I decided I was gonna make videos about money, about finance, things like that, because those are topics I'm legitimately and genuinely interested in. And long story short, I went from 0 to 100,000 followers in the first 30 days of making that account. But now jumping back to January 2023, I was having my crisis, and the 3 things I decided to pursue was to get back into making finance TikToks on my old account, drop shipping, that would be Shopify drop shipping to be specific, and continuing with my eBay drop shipping to see where I could make the most money. So now fast forward a few months, it's June or July of 2023, and well, I haven't really made any money with paid drop shipping. I've honestly lost some. And unfortunately, TikTok lets you pay for ad credits using your credit card. So I not only lost money I lost money I didn't have. So I was in debt. So at that moment in time, I didn't really have a choice. I couldn't keep running paid ads because I clearly wasn't making any money. I was losing it. So I had nothing else to do except for to switch to organic dropshipping and organic content creation on TikTok. Now, I thought this would be kind of easy because I had a little experience doing it in the past, and well, I was wrong and I was right. It was easy because I wasn't unfamiliar with TikTok. I wasn't unfamiliar with TikTok's editing. I knew how to use the app and everything like that, but I was very unfamiliar with content based around products and selling products rather than the finance videos I made, which were just me on one side of the screen talking to me on the other side of the screen. And I was doing that for a little while, and then I heard about a program being released called Creators Corner. Now, essentially what Creators Corner is where you make content for products just like dropshipping, but you don't make them for your store. You make content, organic content, as an affiliate creator for brands. And I will admit, a nice upside is, as an affiliate, you don't have to deal with orders, inventory, customers, anything like that. You make the content, sell the product, and boom, you're done. So what I did was I did end up joining that Creators Corner program I mentioned, and as a now affiliate for brands, it did make my life a lot easier. Because what they did was they connected me with the brands and also simultaneously gave me some coaching. So I became a bit of a better content creator, as well as I didn't really have to go out and search for brand deals. They were right in front of me. They were actually handed to me. Now, this is July of last year, and I ended up securing my first ever brand deal. I was super hyped, and what it was I got a retainer of $450 for the 30 posts I was gonna make for them, plus any commission on anything I sold. So then time progresses, of course, I keep improving my content creation skills, I study a lot, I really dedicate myself to this fully. I am pretty much working from when I wake up to when I go to bed, studying, making videos, getting on calls, learning as much as I can, everything I can do to become a better creator. And in the process of doing so, two things happen. One, I actually start getting very good results for my clients. I start going viral, I start getting sales, and that leads to two amazing things. One is that now, since I'm making sales, I'm actually earning commissions. So now I'm earning more money on top of the retainers I was getting paid. And two is that now, since I'm going viral more often, I'm more of a sought after and desired creator, brands are willing to pay me more as a retainer. There were months this year where I didn't even make $1,500. So it was just so amazing for this to become a reality to me, the fact that I could now command these types of numbers, and not command them out of luck, command them for good reason, because I was, like I said, becoming a very good creator, going viral often, getting very good results from my clients. So really, everyone was happy. And after doing that for a few months, making some money, getting better and better with my skills as a creator, I was actually invited to the graduate program in Creators Corner. Now what that is where certain creators are selected to now not just create, but also manage teams of other creators for brands. So while I was still creating content for some brands at the time, I was now also assembling, managing, and coaching teams of creators for other brands. Now, if you are looking to be a TikTok affiliate, or you are a TikTok affiliate and you're wondering really, well, how can I find work essentially? Well, of course, Creators Corner is my biggest suggestion, but there are other ways. And I'd say probably the best way to do it without joining some form of program like this is to simply just start talking about it on social media, especially Twitter or X now. You want to make an X account and just start tweeting about content creation, tips and tricks, videos you've made that have gone viral, and sooner or later, brands will start approaching you, asking you to make content for them. Or why even wait? You could be the one DMing the brands, the brand owners, asking you, saying, hey, are you looking to onboard some more creators? I think I'm the guy or gal. Another way is to get active in Discord communities about TikTok and TikTok Organic, because a lot of them have things like job boards or opportunities channels. And you can simply go in there and say, hey, I'm a TikTok Organic creator / affiliate. Here's my portfolio. I'm looking for some great brands to work with. Shoot me a DM, and that is another fantastic way to get your first clients. The turning point as a creator for myself, and I think it's safe to say for a lot of other creators, is as long as you keep studying, there will come a day when you just wake up, you post a video, it goes viral, and you understand why it went viral, and then all the clouds in your mind will just go away. And then once that happens, you will only see the path to success, and from then on, it's just about impossible to fail. It took me around 3 years to start making any form of money online, but now I can confidently say I make around 5 figures a month consistently. So if you want to learn how to do that yourself as well, definitely go ahead and click this video right here.